Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, Bhaktamar Stotra, verse number 32. Title is Auspicious Symbols, Celestial Drums. गंभीर तार रव पूरित दिव्य भागस, त्रैलोक्य लोक शुभ संगम भूति दक्षा, सद्धर्म राज जय घोषण घोष काहसन, खेदुन्दुभिर्ध्वनति ते यशसा प्रवादी. Time to discuss about prose order of verse number 32. It starts from word गंभीर, तार, रव, पूरित, दिग विभाग. Here गंभीर that means deep, tar, rav, its loud sound, purit that means filled, diga vibhaga its directions. Second line of verse number 32 contains the words Trilokya, Lok, Shubh, Sangam, Bhuti, Daksha. Here Trilokya that means three words, or can say of three words. Lok, it's two living beings or the reciters of the word. Shubha Sangam of good company. Bhuti Daksha, Bhuti that means prosperity, or can say wealth. Daksha that means capable. Come to the third line. Sadharma Raj Jai Ghoshna Ghosh Kahasan. Here Sadharmaraj that means the propagator of true religion. Jai Ghoshna, it's to victory sound. Ghoshakaha, son, joint meaning of both the words. It's being uncurtailed. And the last line of verse number 32 is Khe Dundubihi Dhonati Te Yashasa Pravadi. Here K that means sky, or can say in the sky. Dundubi its drums, or can say the various types of musical instruments which celestials or celestial deities used to play. Dhonaki that means sounding. Te it's your. Yash Saha Pravadi, Yashasa that means name and fame. Pravadi it's uncurtailed. Now, in this way, we discussed about the prose order of verse number 32. It's time to discuss about whole meaning taking the help of chart. We are talking of auspicious symbol, that is Dundubi. We have already discussed that 8 types of auspicious symbols God have. Out of those 8, one is Dundubi, that is celestials, drums. Now, look at the specialties of this Dundubi celestial drums. Gambhir, Tar, Rab, Purit, Dig, Vibhagaha. The first specialty of this celestial drum is Gambhir Tar Rab Purit Dig Vibhaga. That means in all the directions it move with loud sound. Second one is Tray Lokya Lok Shubh Sangama Bhuti Daksha. That means this celestial drum, the auspicious symbol, is the well master in providing good company to all the living beings belong to three worlds. Next one is Sat Dharma Raj Ghosh Rana Ghosh Kaha San, which means this Dundubi celestial drum is the propagator of true religion and makes victory sound. Next one is Te Yashasaha Pravadi. Celestial drum or Dundubi is the uncurtainer of your name and fame, and the last one is Khe Dhunati, the sound of this celestial drum or other musical instrument buzz in the sky. In this way, we discussed about the concept of verse number 32. Now listen the complete meaning at once. O God, your auspicious symbol named celestial musical instrument Dundubi is endowed with lot positive points. First one is it turns all the directions to loud ones. Second one, provide good or auspicious company to the people belong to three worlds. Third one is moves for victory sound of precise or true religion. The uncurtainer of your name and fame, and at last the sound of this musical instrument buzz in the sky. In this way, we discussed about verse number 32. Look at the text. Here is the end.